Hi, I'm Bev. I work at Active Gardens in Ipswich. Today we're going to make a bee bomb. We make bee bombs to sell at Active Gardens, and this is our recipe. So first of all, we use wild flower seed. Today I've added some hollyhocks and in amongst the mix some poppy seed. They will go together into here. I've used some potting compost. You could use soil from your garden if you so wished. And this is self-drying red clay. I purchased the red clay online. It was quite inexpensive. So this is how we're going to make the bee bombs. You take a small piece of your clay and you squeeze it into a ball shape, just like this. You flatten it into a biscuit shape, just like this. You place a tiny amount of your potting compost in the centre, and then a mix of seeds on top of that, and then you slowly draw it in together, being careful not to lose any, but also to make sure you're encapsulating the seeds and the compost within the clay. Using these bee bombs, we want you to encourage bees and butterflies and other insects into your gardens, and this is the perfect way to do it. I hope you've enjoyed this activity. I'm Bev from Active Gardens. Don't forget to look us up on our social media pages to find out the exciting projects that we have going on in our gardens.